Welcome to David AI Word. Today, I'm sharing an amazing opportunity you won't want to miss. How to find and win government contracts. Did you know the government is one of the biggest clients in the world? Getting into government bidding can unlock huge potential for your business.
Are you ready to tap into this powerful market?
Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. And with just one simple click, you'll be on your way to landing your very first government contract today. Most importantly, I've included a trusted official link below this video. https://rfpdelivery.com !via=luck. It's your direct path to verified government bidding opportunities. Just click the link in the video description or pinned comment. Ready to start? Step 1. Click the official link below. To get started, simply click the official link in the description below or copy and paste this into your browser. https://rfpdelivery.com !via=kuk. Why use this link? Verified source. It's the official RFP delivery link, ensuring accurate and trustworthy access to government opportunities. Quick and simple. No need to search endlessly. One click and you're in. Exclusive perks. Starting from this link gives you access to premium insights and valuable government RFPs not available elsewhere. Step 2. Create an account on RFP Delivery. Once you click the link, you'll be directed to the RFP Delivery site, your ultimate tool for exploring government bidding opportunities. No worries. The sign-up process is super simple. Just enter your email, name, and a password, and in just a few minutes, you're ready to go. Step 3. Search for bidding opportunities. After logging in, you'll see a search bar. Enter keywords related to your product or service, like construction services, IT solutions, or logistics. Then click Search Bids. You'll instantly see opportunities tailored to your industry and expertise. Resume Step 4. Browse the results. Your search results will show a list of relevant government contract opportunities. Each listing includes clear details like requirements, deadlines, and contact info from the government agency. Everything is neatly organized so you can easily find the best fit. Resector. Step 5. Review the opportunity details. When you find something that looks like a good match, take time to carefully review the budget, eligibility requirements, and submission details. This step is crucial to make sure it aligns with your company's capabilities and strategic goals. Step 6. Submit your bid. Found a contract you want to go after? Go for it. Prepare your documents, follow the submission guidelines, and send in your bid before the deadline. And remember, using our official link, https://rfpdelivery.com !via=luck gives you access to special benefits and faster updates. Step 7. Get real-time notifications. One of the best features of RFP Delivery is instant alerts. You'll receive notifications whenever new government contracts match your business profile, so you'll never miss a chance to win big. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to start your journey into the world of government contracting. Click the official link below this video and explore real-time, verified contract opportunities right now. I wish you success and good luck as you step into this game-changing market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tools to grow your business. See you in the next video.